X5-HT5 Next-Gen Millimeter Precision Pipe Inspection Robot. Essential for trenchless repair quality control. Replaces manual inspection of pipes. dataand 203,000. Visualizes and quantifies pipe parameters with millimeter accuracy. Diameter, deformation, silt level, corrosion, crack width, joint gap, area, length, lining thickness, spot repair, thickness. Provides 3D mapping and trend data. Trusted solution for pipeline assessment and acceptance.